Welcome back, everybody. It's an impact day. As Jason, you are tracking some rain today. That's really going to stay with us most of the day.
Yeah, it's going to set in closer to about 9 to 10 o'clock this morning. It'll last for several hours. So here's what to expect on this impact day. Rain for most of the day, not a total washout. That's going to be raining for every hour. In fact, this morning, obviously, it's not raining for most areas, but that rain is starting to move in. So the wettest weather from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. and the rain will be heavy at times. There's also the potential for a few severe thunderstorms. Keyword potential. We'll have to see how the day plays out. It all kind of depends on where the warm front's going to set up. But after 5 p.m., a few strong storms, mainly closer to the Wisconsin and Illinois state line. The good news for us is that the greatest risk for severe weather will be well down to our south. There's that warm front that I was talking about. And you can see this complex of thunderstorms over central and pushing into eastern Iowa. All of that will end up missing us. So we've got mainly just some light to moderate rain that we're tracking creeping in from the west. So over the next couple of hours, we're going to see this settle into southeastern Wisconsin, especially around 9 to 10 o'clock. 7 a.m. we're mainly dry. Hey, you still have some time if you have any patio furniture outdoors and maybe something get blown over easily to bring those inside before the rain really starts to set in. 1 o'clock, steady rain. Rain and storms continues through about 4 o'clock, and then we'll see a little bit of a break, I think, by the mid to late afternoon, but there's still that chance for some scattered storms into the evening. It's going to be a very windy day, too. You can look at some of these wind gusts here above 30 miles per hour. We could even see some gusts above 40 if we do get some of those stronger thunderstorms. So this is what I was talking about. I mentioned that the greatest risk for severe weather down to our south. That's a level 4 out of 5 just south of Chicago over central Illinois and western Indiana. So we're right here on the northern periphery of that storm potential with a level 2 out of 5 for southern portions of Wisconsin and then a level 1 for areas north of I-94. Let's put it all together. We'll go through your future cast. Here comes the rain, really setting in here closer to 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, picking up in intensity at times. We could actually use the rain. We're below average here for the year so far. We came off a record dry May, and we have a drought for portions of southeastern Wisconsin, too. The problem is we don't want too much rain, and so we'll be watching that flood threat through the afternoon. You can see a few of those cells popping here from 3 o'clock through 4 o'clock. There's that break that I was talking about. The question is, will we see the redevelopment of some of those stronger thunderstorms? This future cast keeps us pretty quiet as we get into the evening, which bodes well if you're heading out to Summerfest grounds to watch Garth Brooks tonight. Rainfall totals, I've lowered this just a little bit, but there could be a few spots here in the darker green where we could see over an inch or two of rainfall. We'll track lesser amounts the farther north you go. So going to your 7-day forecast, impact day, a bit of a washout, at least pretty close to it. Steady rain from 9 o'clock through 3 o'clock today. A few strong storms possible. After 5 p.m., we'll keep a close eye on that. Looking nice for Summerfest tomorrow. We'll see the moisture move out, at least most of it. Can't rule out a couple of spotty showers. Feeling comfortable at 72. Pleasant for Friday, Juneteenth, 73. Upper 70s, looking better for Saturday. At one point, we had a rain chance in there for Saturday, but I think most of us will stay dry. And then for the dads on Sunday, we're keeping a close eye on the next storm system. Some of the models keep it just south of our area. It all depends on the exact track, but right now we'll keep that storm chance in there for Sunday and 70s into next week. So not too hot for the official start of summer.
Love that.
On Sunday.
Yeah, don't cancel the grilling Sunday plans just yet.
Not just
yet. We'll see what happens. Thanks, Jason. Yeah.